I'm gonna make an actual video after I get the Variac cleaned up. As you can see, it is extremely filthy. Just all that crud and mainly I think it's dirt actually. It's pretty dirty. And the plate, number plate, is a little bent up and stuff. Clean up the dial or the knob here. So I'm just gonna take this apart and clean it up. Then I'll make the actual video for it. So I'll do another update shortly. Took the whole thing apart almost. Didn't take the toroid out, but took everything else apart. Cleaned it all up in there, and it looks a lot better. The coils were completely covered in dust, and I think dirt too. And just used the air compressor and just blew all the stuff off. Bent that out. Just cleaned up everything. Let's see if, under there you can see I replaced I replaced that wire right there. There was this wire here, which, as you can see, it's all cloth insulated and very frayed looking. Didn't seem very safe to me. So I replaced it with regular electrical wire. I do have to put a ground on it somewhere, but that should be easy. And I'm going to replace these with current quarter 20 bolts. The older bolts, nuts and bolts, seem to tend to have more fine threads to them, and these are more coarse. So I'm going to put new quarter 20 bolts on there, and then I have to figure out a thing where I can put a socket right there, and we'll be up and running soon. Tested out, no sparks, no fuse blowing, works great. And it says it goes up to its, as you can see, dial graduations are percentages of the indicators on the max output voltage. So it should be, so at 10 it's actually 12 volts, and so you got to do your percentages all over here. So I put a meter on here, which is going to take some time. And so there it should be 120 volts, but actually that is around 140 volts, a little bit more actually. So that's about 120 volts. So yes, this definitely is going to need a meter somewhere. I might get an old vintage one or a current plastic one. So we'll see. So that's what we got so far. I will paint this expanded metal glossy black, and maybe polish it up, maybe not, and replace some of the hardware. So yep, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. See you later.